or just printing and handwriting. The next section is Lesson 1 on page 5. Lesson 1 is listing some commonly used and known nouns. Now, nouns are person, places, or things. And we have both singular and plural. A singular word means one. A plural word means two or more. Now, a plural word has an S after it. So I will say each word on the list, first singular and then plural. You look at your list while I'm saying the words. 1, apple. The plural is apples. 2, avocado. Avocados. 3, banana. Bananas. 4, cantaloupe. Cantaloupes. 5, coconut. Coconuts. 6, grape. Grapes. 7, honeydew melon. Honeydew melons. 8, kiwi. Kiwis. 9, lemon. Lemons. 10, lime. Limes. 11, mango. Mangoes. 12, melon. Melons. 13, orange. Oranges. 14, pineapple. Pineapples. 15, strawberry. Strawberries. 16, watermelon. Watermelons. Did you figure out that you had time to say the word as a plural? When I gave you the singular, then you could have said the plural. If you didn't, let's try it again. And this time after I say the word, I'll say the singular word, apple, and you'll say apples. Avocado, avocados, okay? Here we go. Ready? Begin. Apple. Avocado. Banana. Cantaloupe. Coconut. Grape. Honeydew melon. Kiwi. Lemon. Lime. Mango. Melon. Orange. Pineapple. Strawberry. Watermelon. Now you'll want to write a sentence with each one of these items that we've listed for you. A sample sentence I've given at the bottom, look at it and follow along with me, is asparagus. And I defined it when I'm writing the sentence. I said what it is. Asparagus is a long, thin, green vegetable. You will want to do the same thing with each one of your fruits. Like number 1, you might say, apple is a red or green round fruit. That's what you would print or write. Probably print if you're just learning English. This way you will learn several things at one time. We call this double or triple tasking. When you double or triple task, you're doing 2 or 3 things at once. That's what you have to do in an advanced culture in order to get all the work done that needs to be completed. You often have to do 2 or 3 things at once, especially as a teacher. I often do 2 or 3 things at once. The whole time I was a teacher for over 30 years, I often had to do something with this student while handing another piece of paper to another student. And I would often do 2 or 3 things at once. and that helps you to function more efficiently and meet the needs of everyone you're working with. So if you need help, please, in fact, I encourage you to look in a dictionary and or an encyclopedia. You will want to do that both to learn how to say it, what it looks like, how to write a sentence defining it, and how to draw a picture of it. Now, what you will do along with this assignment is a vocabulary picture worksheet, or definition board, as I call it here on page 29 in the back of your packet. Now, it's a little bit tricky to complete it, but I know you can do it. I have it almost finished, but you're going to need to finish it. I have part of it drawn, but you'll need to turn it sideways like this and draw a line across the top, a line across the middle, and a line across the bottom. If you have a ruler, use a ruler so it's nice and straight. If you don't have a ruler, you can use the edge of another piece of paper and put it like this and then draw the lines. So you have your, in this case it's 6 boxes, but if you want to make it a larger assignment, you can fold a piece of paper in half 2 times and have 4 boxes, or you can fold it in half a couple of extra times and have 8 boxes. You can decide along with the teacher which way the teacher wants you to use that box. The idea is to print the word and define it, tell what it means, and then draw a picture and color it, and then write a sentence using it properly, how you would use it in a sentence. And then you can do other things with it. You could also do the opposite of it in some cases. Now that might not work with a fruit unless your teacher wants you to do a vegetable as an opposite. Opposites are called antonym or antonyms, plural, if you're talking about more than one. Remember, 2 or more is plural. 1 is singular. This can be very helpful and quite an interesting and fun assignment for students who are learning English. And you could put them up on the board as something to show when your family, friends, or parents or neighbors come to school to see what you're doing. Then your work can be exhibited on the board that makes something interesting for people to look at. You might want to have a back-to-school night when your community is invited to your school to see what you're doing. So you want to make sure you have some of your work posted. This would be a good time for the teacher to stop the video and complete what you're doing, and then join me again in a few minutes or tomorrow to start and continue with the next lesson. It's been so nice to be with you today. Have a good day.